Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the TV. This prevents shocks and preserves circuitry. Once done, remove the stand or take it off the wall to expose the back panel and lay the TV face down on a soft, flat surface. Make sure to wear an ESD strap or touch grounded metal. Static will damage the Wi-Fi module. Next, remove all back screws with a pH 0 and use a plastic pry tool to lift the rear cover gently. Work the clips slowly so you don't break tabs. You'll now find the Wi-Fi module next to the main board. It's a small card with 1 or 2 antenna cables clipped on. Before touching, photograph cable positions so you can restore orientation exactly. That prevents reception issues. Gently pull antenna connectors straight off. Don't wiggle sideways, and then remove the single screw or clip holding the module. Slide the card out of its M2 or proprietary slot at a low angle, and inspect the connector and pins for bent contacts or corrosion before installing the new module. You install the replacement by aligning the module pins with the slot and inserting at the same angle the old one came out. Then secure it with the screw and reattach antenna leads in their original order. Replace the back cover and all screws, reconnect the TV to power, and boot to the network settings to scan for routers. If you don't see Wi-Fi, make sure antennas are seated, reseat the module, and check for firmware updates. One quick troubleshooting step is swapping the 2 antenna leads in case a lead is damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.